So currently we have here 9 participating local employers and 6 participating overseas recruitment agencies.
I would just like to say once again thank you to everybody and congratulations in advance to those who we have today.
And to formally open this special occasion, we are honored to hear from someone who has been at the forefront of promoting employment and livelihood opportunities in our city. Please welcome our City Government Assistant Department Head 2, our PASO Manager and Investment Promotions Officer of Lapu-Lapu City Government, and our new elected President of the League of Public Employment Service Office Managers, Cebu Chapter Incorporated, fondly known as Mr. Trabajo, Mr. King R. Francisco.
Good morning, everyone. I'd like to acknowledge first our special guests, our stakeholders. We have here our Senior Labor and Employment Officer of Department of Labor and Employment, Tri-City Field Office, Ms. Bernarlinda Hamoy, representing the Regional Director, Attorney Roy Benafe. We also have here the representing the Regional Director of the Department of Migrant Workers, si R.D. Jao. With us here is Ms. Charmaine Arcete and Ms. Wilbeth Carusca. Atong pakpakan. And of course, our host, venue for today's big event. We have here the General Manager of Savoy Hotel Mactan, Mr. Joseph Victor Chongbian. We have here also the team of Savoy Sales Account Executive, Ms. Tricia Mariel Abellana, Sales and Marketing Director, Ms. Gretel Coloso. We have here the First Vice President Sales and Marketing Mega World Visayas, Ms. Jennifer Ann Wong. The Executive Sales Director Marketing Mega World Corporation, Sir John Michael Contreras. We have the HR Recruitment and Payroll Associate Mega World Corporation, Sir James Michael Lorente. James, kung hinipirmi na mo istoryahan, makasabot. We have here the HR Training and Research Specialist, Mega World Corporation, Ms. Hannah BMA Densing. The Senior Graphic Artist, Mega World Corporation, Ms. Pearl Jam Nelios. Then Senior Events Associate, Mega World Corporation, Sir Don Alfonso Gaco. Communications Officer, Ms. Shiyin Ann Umayan. So currently we have here 9 participating local employers and 6 participating overseas recruitment agencies. Mga legit, gini sila. Okay, expect na sila ni DMW, Department of Migrant Workers. So, today's job fair generates 3,662 job vacancies. Atong pakpakan ng ato ang mga employers. Ato ang yung pasipaan ng pakpake para ma-hire on the spot. Diba? Okay. So, guys, this is our first ever job fair na ang venue nato is a hotel setup. Yeah, so we're very proud na partner nato ang Savoy Hotel Mactan, and together with Mega World Visayas, they help facilitate our conduct of the local and overseas job fair for today. Ato sila pakpakan. And on behalf of our beloved City Mayor, the Honorable Maria Cynthia Cindy King Chan, the Honorable Congressman Junard Ahong Q. Chan. Mapasalamat po kami kaninyong tanan mga employers o kami manghinaot na ang atong mga aplikante matagaan gayud o opportunity na ma-hire on the spot karong adlaw. So, ang nakanindot sa atong mga job seekers dining followers sa ato ang Peso Lapu-Lapu nga page. Daghan yun kayo ng mga skill, daghan kanila ang mga taas na po ng mga experience, no? So hopefully kining pool of talents nato na gi-bring nato dinhi, gidala nato dinhi sa ato ang venue, makita ni sa ato mga employers ang ilahang potential, no, na makagain sila o trabaho, no? And of course the Department of Labor and Employment and the Department of Migrant Workers here with us, witness din sila sa tuwa mga events such as this, no? Dako kayo ni siya nga importansya para kanila to make sure that our participants, no, or our job seekers would be able to get quality nga mga jobs and legit na mga companies or corporations. Okay, so with that, no, thank you so much and God bless everyone.
And at this point, we are also blessed and privileged to be joined by some of our distinguished leaders and partners who continuously work hand in hand to bring more opportunities to the people of Lapu-Lapu City. And on behalf of Attorney Roy L. Benavic, let us now welcome Senior Labor and Employment Officer Dolly 7, Ms. Benerlinda Hamoy. A round of applause.
So, may adlaw sa tanan nga niya diri karon on behalf sa amo ang regional sa Dolly office o sa ato ang regional director Attorney Roy Benavic, among ihatod ang among dako kay pasalamat, no, sa una sa LGU Lapu-Lapu for implementing and supporting the Dolly programs and services, particularly kani atong pagkanda og job fair. Mao ni ang ato ang employment facilitation program, one of the mandates of the department. So mapasalamaton kayo ni Honorable Mayor Cindy Chan, Congressman Junard Ahong Chan, sa suporta nga ilang dihatag. Pinaagi kini sa paningkamot usab sa ato ang Peso Manager, Mr. Trabajo, Mr. Kim Francisco, and his devoted and dedicated mga gwapuhon o gwapahon nga mga staff ni Sir Kim. Salamat sa inyong kabuutan. Unya, by the way, si Sir, ang Peso Lapu-Lapu, ever since si Sir Kim na naglingkod, awarded siya as one of the top performing pesos sa region. So, ato siyang tagaan sa masipang pakpak. All the employers, no, present, laking salamat. Salamat sa inyong pagsunod-sunod, no, pagsuporta kanunay sa government programs and services. Unya, mahinaot ni nga sa kanunay compliant punta sa usang mga required na mga documents. Simple kayo. Current business permit o ang ako ang current posting of vacancies through sa ako ang PhilJobNet. Maura na yung atong i-require. Kasi peso, dapat na sila daan sa inyong mid-profile na mo, na mo BIR, dili mo na mo permanently, SSS, nung PhilHealth na BIR, SSS, then ang ilahan ni EDSEC, no? So, mo nagduha na lang ang require na mo para mas mapasayon tagod ninyo. So, ang inyo na lang responsibility is maghatag og report. No? Prior to attending another schedule na po, hatag sa account report para ma-account na to ang atong obligasyon na ihatag po sa atong central office. Okay, so daghang salamat sa tanan o maayong adlaw.
And not just that, because we are also privileged to be joined today with a dedicated public servant whose work champions the welfare and protection of our modern-day heroes, our overseas Filipino workers. On behalf of Director Joaquin G. Lucero, let us now welcome the Labor and Employment Officer 2, Migrant Workers Processing Division, Ms. Charmaine C. Arcet.
Ngayong buntag sa tanan. On behalf of BMW, dili sa kinanhan ang Department of Migrant Workers, formerly DOEA, Regional Director Joaquin G. Lucero, I, Charmaine Arsati, together with Ms. Welbeth Carusca, Labor and Employment Officer 2, nagpasalamat kami og dako kay inyo kaming gi-adapt, suportaan sa nga activity nga inyong gi-prepara karong adlaw. O of course, dili ni siya successful no if wala ni ang mga tao nga nagpaluyo ani. So ako lang yung advice, isip usa ka millennial no. Dako kay yung privilege ninyo paghitabo karong adlaw. Ngano man, mismo ang employer na ni duol sa inyuhan. O tuon man, dili ka mo masweltian sa pagpaningpalad karong adlaw. Ang ako lang yung hangyo nga dili kita mawalta ng paglaom no, kay daghan pa kaayong opportunity nga maabot sa ato and ang tambak lang sa BMW nga moagi lang yun kamo sa legal nga proseso o hesitate kayo or doubtful mo, pwede kayo mo tab sa ato ang task manager. And then, taki naman kayo taning online no, narapod tayo website. Hinaot lang ko nga, lakang ka mo sa inyong career journey karong adlaw. Maulang siguro nino o daghang salamat, good luck, o maayong buntag pag-usab.
Today has been filled with meaningful insights and messages of hope, empowerment, and opportunities. We are truly honored to hear from a leader whose dedication and vision continue to pave the way for progress in the Mactan, Newtown, and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome no other than the General Manager of Savoy Hotel Mactan, Mr. Joseph Victor Chombi.
Thank you so much to everybody present here this morning and to our dignitaries seated here in front. Maayong buntag, kaninyong tanan. And to my colleagues here in Megawil also, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. At salamat kayo sa suporta. You know what, it gives me a lot of pride and honor to see a lot of employers and job seekers present here this morning. Rather, this is a perfect opportunity that we'll be able to connect opportunity and talent. Once again, talent and opportunity. This is the perfect day to connect that. And us here in Megawil Visayas, very honored that we have been chosen by our friends in PESO, by Mr. Trabajo, to be the vessel to make that connection. Karong adlaw daghan tayo na-mention ganina about hats, kanang hats. Kay bago ko kanang interview karon na hot seat pa ni karon. But when we say hats, that's HOTS, hired on the spot. Doon na ba tayo na hired on the spot? Naana! Sa kamunta na pabalya? Wow! Okay. Perfect. Like what I mentioned earlier, this is a perfect opportunity for us to find our dream job. 15 total. 15. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Total of 15 hired on the spot in the first 4 hours of this job fair. The service and a purpose. Na-mention ni Mr. Trabajo kanina, this is natanan employers present here, mga legitimate niya. You made the right decision of showing up today because you are secure that this opportunity that you're looking for is a legitimate company. So once we participate in job fair, always participate in job fairs organized by the City of Lapu-Lapu. And of course, by PESO. I would just like to say once again thank you to everybody and congratulations in advance to those who will be hired today for a brighter future ahead of you. The City of Lapu-Lapu has maintained its record to be the most innovative, growing city, not just in Cebu but entire the Philippines. And we're very honored that we'll be able to host this venue for you to be able to find the perfect life ahead of you. Not job, but a perfect life ahead of you. If I may just plug, okay na Mr. Trabaho, sponsor bitaw ni. Can I may just plug a bit? Okay, both our Megaworld Hotels and Resorts properties are present here this morning. I am speaking in behalf of both Savoy and Belmont, and salamat kay kaning tulong na nagdingkod, If you look at this banner right here that says great place to work, dili siya na, hindi siya hindi mo, ipaprita na naman dito sa lahin. That is a certification given by a legitimate source also that with the survey being done by all the employees of both Savoy and Belmont says 90% of them says that it is indeed a great place to work. And it doesn't stop there. Allow me to plug also in behalf of Megaworld Corporation that we just got our certification with a 90% trust index that Megaworld Corporation as a whole is indeed a great place to work. And it doesn't stop there. Plug lang po sa mong kumpanya. But all the other companies present here this morning is certified and for sure guaranteed to be your second home once you get this opportunity to work. Once again, daghan kayong salamat to all the employers present here this evening. And congratulations in advance to all the job seekers here today. Daghan kayong salamat sa atong mga partners sa Peso o Dole sa inyong pagsalig sa Megaworld Corporation o sa Savoy Hotel o Belmont Hotel. 100 lang sa capacity ng mga function room. But maintingon ni Mr. Trabaho nga next year, ato na ta sa Expo. Kay 1,100 na ato i-host sa mga activities like this in the future. But once again, daghan kayong salamat and I wish you all the best. Mayong buntag sa inyong mga.
Thank you very much, our very own Mr. Chongbian, for those powerful words that truly with, support with our leaders, partners, and stakeholders. We are reminded that opportunities like today's career fair are more than just events. They are life-changing gateways for every individual who aspires for a better future. And on behalf of Megaworld, thank you to our partners, with our friends here, institutions, and job seekers for making the Megaworld Visayas Career Fair 2025 possible and meaningful. With that, we officially close the program. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with the guidance of our leaders and the support of our partner companies and institutions, we officially declare the